Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev from Jayotri Academy. Today I am going to explain the chapter Matter in Our Surrounding of class 9th Chemistry. Matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified as solid, liquid, and gases. On the basis of chemical components, matter can be classified as pure substance and mixture. Pure substances are either elements or compounds. Mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Particulate nature of matter. Particulate nature means the matter is made up of very small particles. The particles may be atoms, molecules, or ions. We have learned the atom, molecules, and ions in class 8th, such as hydrogen is an atom and the molecule of hydrogen is H2 and the ion of hydrogen would be H plus. Following properties are associated with the particulate nature of matter. The particles of matter have space between them. The particles of matter are continuously moving. The particles of matter attract each other. We will learn the properties of matter with our activities. See this activity to prove that particles of matter have space between them. You look, this is a beaker. In this, a little amount of water is present. We add a spoon of sugar in this beaker and stir with the help of glass rod. The sugar completely dissolved in this beaker. This activity shows that there is a space between matter, that is liquid. So the sugar completely dissolved in this matter, that is liquid, which is filled in this beaker. Now the next activity to prove the particles of matter are continuously moving. See, this is a beaker in which a little amount of water is present. We add a few amount of potassium permanganate or ink. We look, the particles of ink completely moving, and after some times a equilibrium state is generated. This activity shows that the particles of a matter completely moving and completely dissolve and forms a equilibrium state. Thank you everyone.